Our Quattro 16 and its smaller sister, the Quattro 14, are racing boats with trapezes and sophisticated deck layouts. The Quattro 16 has the same handicap as the Dart 18, but we find that its lightweight, rounded V hulls and small skegs make it faster to windward, particularly in a chop. The Quattro 16 has enormous stability, thanks to its twin trapezes, and this means it can have a bigger rig than its rivals. Our designs are lighter than fiberglass boats, which means that it's easier to carry the boat up the beach, and in the case of the Pixie, to car top. Because of their width, beach cats have to be easily demountable. The Pixie uses a simple slot-together system with no bolts or fastenings, while the Quattros use the more conventional beam bolts. Many people find that beach cats are unmanoeuvrable. Not so the Quattros, as the shallow skegs help speed tacking enormously. Another problem common to beach cats is nosediving and pitch poling. By keeping the rig well aft and by designing full bows, we have minimised these problems as well.